how to send photo in Gmail. Okay, hello guys, welcome to my video. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can send photo in Gmail and Android. Okay, I think it's one of the easiest things you can do, but so without further ado, let's get started on the video. So first of all, open your Gmail and you can see this is my Gmail, and tap on this compose button. From here you have to type the email address that you want to send. For example, let me send it to my another Gmail account. Okay, of course you have to send it to whom you want to send it, but for now let me send this email. Okay, type subject and you have to tap on this icon and click on attach file. From here you have to select the image or photo, select the photo you want to send. Okay, for example, from here you can select from your folder that which photo you want to send. For example, let me select this one and select and send. Sending, it's already sent. You can see this is the email message or photo in my another email account. Let's open this. This is how you send photo in Gmail on Android. I hope you like this video. If you like, subscribe to my channel, like the video. We'll meet you on my next video. Thank you.